Take a look at this one, just in 1961 Cadillac Fleetwood Special Sedan, otherwise known as a four-door hardtop. This car is very, very original. Vehicle has been in our area here its entire life. The history of this car is well known through the ownership. This car started out life with a canning company here, and it was the CEO's personal vehicle and kind of their company car, so to speak, for picking up any out-of-towners that were coming in, business purposes, that type of thing. Had it from 61 to 63, actually got it late in 60, and had it from 60 to 63. From there it went to the next family, 63 to 2012. So they had it the majority of the time until it moved on and has now ended up with us. Like I said, this car is extremely original. From what I've been around the car, appears to be original paint on all of it, if not most of it. You can see there are imperfections in the paint, but you won't find one that's any more original. I know that. Take a look. There are some touch-ups up in the front where you can see it. So is the paint perfect? No. It's 58 years old. Quite original paint. Same with the chrome, all of that. Nothing's been re-chromed. What you see is how it came from General Motors Cadillac division back in the day. And you can see how straight this car is up and down the side of it too. Very, very stunning example of a 61 Cadillac Fleetwood. This particular car also has all original interior, which is black Cambridge cloth with a white Florentine leather bolster, and that comes right out of the 1961 Cadillac showroom brochure. This car also has the original kind of warranty slash service booklet with it. Comes with the owner's manual. That was all original with it back in 61. Powered by a 390. Underneath the hood, automatic transmission, obviously, power steering, power brakes. This is an AC car. Wings on this, just awesome, coming off the top and slanted off the bottom. Rear tail lights. You can check out the still pictures. So check out the underside of this thing, engine bay, interior. Check out the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Also, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Sure be happy to discuss the car with you. Maybe get questions on transportation to where you're located at. Here's another thing. Here's the original selling dealer, Warren Cadillac in Minneapolis. Still has the emblem metal back in the day, insignia that's actually screwed on there. You can see this car is not full of rust. It's not bubbling, not deteriorating in any way. Just a beautiful stock example. Let's come around to the inside here. Give me a good look at the interior. Yes, you can see wear on the leather, but again, for 58 years old, it's amazing the kind of shape that this is in. Something I found rather interesting. When's the last time you've seen a car with 8 window switches? Because of course, this window back here is a power vent window. How neat is that, huh? Does it at all 4 corners, front and back. I'm gonna go ahead and start this up in here. I'll smooth this thing runs. $69,000 miles. Those are original miles, as handed down through the ownership. They have confirmed that. Original stereo. Check this out. If you can see it, the clock's even working. So nice a shape the dash is in. Headliner's also original in great shape. Just a few touch-ups here and there in the paint, really. Listen to this thing purr. Looking for a car you don't see every day, here it is. Again, check out those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Listen to that. Just purrs. And again, give us a call, 507-386-1726. I'm going to slip around here, pause this a second. We're going to pop open this hood. You're going to look at the engine bay and how original and stock that is also. All right, got the hood pop. You can hear how smooth this engine runs. See that it's the way it would have came back in 1961 when it was sold new. Beautiful car, very original. I will show you too, I noticed earlier, there are a few little dings. I don't know if I can get it to stand out or not. There you go, little ding there. There's one in the other fender. So again, is the car perfect? No. Is it solid? Absolutely yes. Is it original? Yes. You won't find one more original. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, or check out uniqueclassiccars.com. 1961 Fleetwood Special Sedan, otherwise known as a four-door hardtop.